Good evening, this is Julia reporting for K News. I'm here to bring you a report on Daddy Yankee's new song LOVEO and its music video. The Puerto Rican reggaeton legend surprised fans with the release of LOVEO on May 3, 2024. With an upbeat tropic sound, the song praises the Almighty and declares his love and faith in God. The music video shows Daddy Yankee performing the song with a band alongside coastline scenery, reinforcing the messages of love, unity, and togetherness.
Since announcing his retirement from music late last year to focus on his spiritual journey, Daddy Yankee has gradually been releasing songs that highlight his found faith. LOVEO is described as his most hopeful song yet, mixing elements of reggaeton with lyrics centered around cherishing life's blessings. Fans have welcomed the new direction in Daddy Yankee's music and the positive themes he explores.
In conclusion, LOVEO seems to be a new chapter for the legendary Daddy Yankee as both an artist and as a man of faith. This has been Julia reporting for K News. Thank you for listening and good night.